Hi, it's Catherine from In the Pink Designs. My project for today is a little treat box that fits a Reese's peanut butter cup. We're using the little treat box die and the little dies that go with it. I'm using the spider and the scallop circle. And I'm also using a die from the Peek-A-Hoot dies. These dies. And I'm going to use the little spider web from that. Okay. Alright, this is pretty simple and quick. Okay, first for the die, I cut this and folded it without even thinking. I cut it out and folded it. So I tried to flatten it back out. Okay, you can use a piece of 6x6 paper, but it's not going to fit this way. I think I told you that the last time I did one of these. You have to put it like this, which even on your 12x12, in order to get 4 out of it, this would be the best way to do it. Okay, just wanted to show you that. Okay, so I cut out the die, and then I just folded all the edges. Okay, and then these little tabs slip right into those. The die does all that for you. And you can put some glue on it if you wish. I'm just going to stick them in there. If I can get it together now. Okay, they're in there. And then I'm going to take some liquid glue. And I'm just going to put it on both sides. And just close it up and hold it there a little while. You could use seal too. I guess that would be a good idea too. But I just figured it would give me a little bit of wiggle room if I use the liquid adhesive in case that I put them up a little crooked or something. Okay, that's that part. Okay, now the things that I cut out a scallop circle out of pumpkin pie, a web out of black cardstock, and the spider. And this spider is so intricate. I don't know if, let's see. There you go. No. If you would. Yeah. Oh, you might be able to see a little bit. Let's see. Oh, there you go. There you go. See how he's got a lot of detail on his belly? Very cool. Okay. So what I did was we're going to use from the Little Treat stamp set Happy Happy Halloween and some Memento ink, Tuxedo Black ink. And I just put it a little bit towards the top so that we'll have room for our spider to crawl up. Okay. All right, and last time I put a Reese's peanut butter cup in, and it fit rather nicely in there. And now I wanted to try the Ghirardellis. Yeah, they fit nicely in there too. That's 2 of them. I don't think I'd want to squeeze 3 in, but 2 would fit nice. So I just wanted to show you, but I'm going to get my peanut butter cup. And I put it in kind of sideways to fit it in there nicely. Alrighty, just like that. And then because, as I told you in the last video, I didn't get the black pretty ribbon, I'm just going to have to use some ribbon from my stash. And I used just some orange that's similar to the pumpkin pie. But the black glittery ribbon would look so good. Alrighty. Nope, this way. Okay. So I put that in there. And then I used the trim from the Playful Pets combo pack. It's like a black and white stripe. And I just tied a bow around this. Go. Oopsie. Okay, and now it's nicely closed for us. Okay, now I'm going to put a dimensional. Now, black dimensionals would be great, but you could put a regular one on towards the bottom because we're going to cover that with the scallop. Okay, so that just pops up our web a little bit. And then we're going to need a dimensional on the bottom of the scallop and just a tiny bit of liquid glue on the top to adhere it to the web. Oops. Just put it like that. Okay, and then the web is popped up off of the paper, and so is the scallop. If you use the black dimensionals, yeah, you probably wouldn't notice it. You can put one up higher too. Okay, and then for the spider, all I did was put some liquid glue on the top of them. I made it so that it looked like he was crawling up the edge of the bag to get to his or her web. Okay, and you could stick a little dimensional under his bottom too, but it really doesn't need it. Okay. Then I used some, this is the Noble Peacock rhinestones, which I think they were clearanced out. But you could use regular rhinestones and just color them purple with your, I think, Highland Heather. There you go. And if we wanted to, we could put a little bit of Wink of Stella on the web to give it a little bit of sheen when people look at it. There you go. And that's it. Very, very quick and easy little Halloween favor. Thank you so much for joining me. I would love it if you would subscribe. I do videos usually 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if you would like to buy any of these products, I am a demonstrator and my address is right at the top of the screen. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. Bye.